Hello everybody, welcome to week 5. I know you're so excited about it, as am I. I just want to go over everything that we're going to be doing this week, and I'm getting it done before the week starts. For some reason last week my video didn't work. You can see my little boy in the background. Hi Chase. He's just hanging out with me. But let's go over things. So this week we're going to be practicing a bunch of the multi-view drawings that we talked about last week. We're going to be going into more depth with that. You'll be doing some isometric sketching. You'll be doing some orthographic sketching. And we're just going to be working our way through it. Now I know this week looks like there's a lot here, but it's not as bad as you think. So first and foremost, the directions. This is where the video will be posted for this week. And then I've again inserted blank orthographic paper and blank isometric paper for you in case you need it. I don't think you will. These 3 assignments are all kind of the same assignment. If you were in school and we were all working in school, I would give this to you in a packet of 3 worksheets. So we do them all together. But because we're doing it online and in an online kind of format where you're turning stuff in, I have it separated so that each assignment gets its own submission so that they're not all getting jumbled and confused and out of order, and it makes it easier for me to grade. So the first one is the worksheet 1. I recommend that we print all of these. It says here, I recommend you print all the assignments, do them on paper, take a picture, and attach them to a Google Doc for submission. So I have the options, either print the assignment in class if you're here, or print the assignment at home if you're at home. So the first one's easy. This is the multi-view drawing 1.2.3 worksheet 1. You're just sketching in what it asks you. So for the first one, it says sketch the left side and the rear view of the chair. Easy. Then this one says quickly, 5 minutes or less, sketch the missing orthographic view. Hopefully you know what view this is that's missing. And then again, for this one, it says sketch the missing view, label each view, front, top, and right, and then add any missing, hidden, or center lines. So that'll be interesting and should challenge you to see if you can find where all of the hidden lines go. Then if we go back out, multi-view drawing worksheet 2. That one looks like this. So again, print either at home or in school, and then upload the picture so that I can grade it for you. So this assignment, you're going to print it, and I give you the grid. You're just drawing front, top, and right side view. They have their projection lines here. You can use your projection lines as well if you'd like, if it helps you lay things out. Now, I recommend you use them, especially if you are struggling a little bit with this. These help you keep them aligned. I will see students that'll do the front view, and then their right side view will be up here, not even close to being aligned. So you're going to do that for the different shapes that I have for you. And that's just 3 different front, top, and right sides. We've got the multi-view drawing worksheet 3. That is this one. So I have drawn the lovely orthographics for you, and you are giving me the isometric. So this might be a little bit of a challenge. You've got to take these views and turn it into what the isometric would look like. So complete in pencil, looking at the front, top, and right side, recreate the isometric drawing. These views will give you enough information to draw the missing isometric. My recommendation is that you practice a few times on a blank sheet of isometric graph paper before completing the final drawing on your worksheet. This will just stop you from having to print multiple of these worksheets. And again, it's just 3 practice problems. So once you've completed all 3 of these worksheets and turned them in, you'll be ready to move on to the next thing. So hopefully you now understand isometrics a bit more, you understand orthographics a bit more. That's not the only thing we do with our technical drawings. We also dimension them. So now we've got to talk about dimensioning. Don't have to take any notes on dimensioning, but I have the flow chart here. And this is just the flow chart you work your way through when you're deciding what needs dimensioned. Then I've got a PowerPoint that goes over it, and we will go over it in class again as well. So I'd like you to check that out. And then finally, it is the dimensioning worksheet. That looks like this. So you're going to print this assignment out, and then dimensioning the multi-view drawing shown, use fractional inches to the nearest 1/4 of an inch. When submitting, make sure you take a picture of your paper and attach it to a Google Doc for grading. Do not share your document with me. None of these documents should be shared with me. They should be you putting them on a Google Doc and then submitting that Google Doc. You must attach the Google Doc to the submission for grading. So that's the last assignment. So those are the 4 assignments I have for you this week. Again, we will go over in class, and if you have any questions, you can feel free to ask. I definitely am going to focus on students that I notice might be struggling a bit with their isometric and orthographic drawings. But if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email. And I will see you guys this week.